I just had this conversation with a new client's daughter who is starting out as a new teacher, and she's turning 26 this summer. Now, I'm having a really tough time trying to understand why a 26-year-old would be in an annuity with the costs associated. Yeah, there's some guarantees that you don't lose, but when you're 25 years old, you don't have to worry about these guarantees. You have nothing but time. She said, well, the guy from the insurance company's handling the 403B plan said, well, this is what most people are doing, so do this. I hate that advice. Let's do what most people are doing. How about let's do what is right specifically for your financial goals, for your personal finance? Because if I'm looking at someone 25 years old, I want them in stocks, I want them in upside. I am more than willing to take downside, because when you're young, when you're just starting out, you're a new investor, a down market is your friend. Remember that.